Hi viewers, welcome to Kaithozil channel. Today in our channel what we are going to see is we are going to see the remote cover. My son used to drop it always and damage it at the corners. So I'm going to cover it with a crochet. So what we need is, we first has to measure the length. It's of 6 inch and the width of my remote is 1.25 inch. Okay. So I'm going to do it for this length. It has to be tight so that it will be extended. So what we need is woolen thread, and then I am using the crochet needle. Any size, smaller size will be nice. See, the first we have to put slip knot and then do 25. For my 6 inch length I need 25 chains, so I am using this. You can put up to your required length. If you have bigger size of remote, means measure it and then do the chain stitch according to that. That is the base. So here I only need 25 stitches, 25 chains. I am using this. See, I made 25 chains. Once again I will measure it. So I should get a length of 6 inch. See, now from the third chain, from the third chain of the hook, we need to do double crochet. On over it, insert the needle there, on over it, pull through this, leave 2 loops, and again pull through this, leave 2 loops. So like this you should do 1 double crochets in each stitch. So like this we have to do 1 double crochets in each stitch. So totally you will have 23 double crochets, and counting the first starting 2 chain as a double crochet, so you will have 24 double crochets at the end. See, I finished it. So I made 24 double crochets. Now we are going to do the second row for the 2 chain and then turn your work. See, leave the first chain, first stitch at that point, and then start from the next one. You have to do double crochets. Do 1 double crochets in each stitch like this. See, I have made it. See, at the end you should put 2 double crochets. See, one at the previous stitch and then one at the chain where we have started with 2 chain, right? At the top of the 2 chain we have to put 1 double crochet. So totally there will be 24 double crochets, so that you will get sharp edges like this. And then for the third row, start with 2 chains and then turn the work and do 1 double crochets in each stitch like this. Same what we have done in our second row. So like this you continue. See, at the end you have to put 2 stitches. That means one at the previous double crochet stitch and one at the top of the second chain. Okay, so that you will get sharp edges like this. See, I have got 1.25 inch. So now I am going to so some bigger length. Now I am going to do the single crochets for my 4th row. See, there will be 2 loops present. See, like this, front loop and the back loop. Yeah, in every stitch there will be two loops present, front loop and the back loops. We are going to work in the back loop only, leaving the front loop and work. We are going to work in back loops. See, all sides, all the edges we are going to work. At all edges we will have two loops like this. So make one chain and then do one single crochet in the back loops alone. See, starting from there. See, here we have made 3 double crochets, so there will be 3 single crochets at this edge, and then at the corners you have to make 1 single crochet extra. Now continue at this edge, the lengthwise edge. Here for the 24 stitches you have to do 24 double single crochets in each stitches, and at the corners you have to put 2 single crochet in the same stitch. So totally you will get 58 single crochets at the end of this round. You have to make it at the edges, around the edges. See, I have made this round, 4th round. See, I have made it at the around the edges. Now slip stitch at the top of the first chain where you have started, and then for a 5th round 1 chain and 1 single crochet in both the loops. Now we have to do it in both the loops. We don't want to do it extra at the corners. Make 1 double crochets in each stitch, that is enough. So totally at the end of this round also you will have 58 chains, 58 single crochets. Like this you do it across. At the end you make a slip stitch at the top of the chain, first chain. See, like this. Now see, it will be like this. Now we have to shrink it so that it will be tight. So for that, see, 1 chain and do 1 single crochet in first 2 stitches, and then we have to do single crochet together in the 3rd and 4th stitch. See, 1, 2, and then 1 single crochet together in the next 2 stitches, like this. See, 1 single crochet and then another single crochet in the next stitch, and then you have to do together stitch by inserting the needle in the next stitches, and then pull the needle out through that. See, like. So at every 3rd and 4th stitch you have to shrink it. So totally you will have, so 44 stitches will be there. See, I finished it, and place the remote in it. So it will be somewhat tight so that it will extend it. The crochet will always be extended. The woolen threads are always extendable, so make it tight. So this is the idea of using your crochet designs in our day-to-day life. So don't think that crochets can be not to be used in day-to-day life. It's very well be used in the day-to-day life, so that I am posting the videos like this. I hope you all will like this video. There are further more useful videos in my channel. For that, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.